Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll show you how I made this delicious, beautiful, special fried rice. This you can make in minutes. It is easy, super delicious, and packed with flavors. If you want to know how I did it, please keep watching. So to begin, I'll cook my white rice with coconut milk, introduce a bit of salt, allow this to cook until it's ready. Now you can use a leftover rice. It's still okay, even more perfect. Here the rice is ready. I remove it and set it aside. Into the pan, I introduce vegetable oil and I'm going to scramble the eggs at this moment. Now what I do is to allow the egg to kick up a little bit. I don't like to, scramble immediately. I introduce the egg into the oil. I want to use this opportunity to welcome you to the channel if this is your first time. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate your presence here. If you love what we do here, this channel will basically cook all food Nigerian, right? We cook African food, soups, and what have you. If those interest you, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified each time we post a new video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always stopping by. I appreciate your presence here. Thank you. Please, if you're getting any value, please give a thumbs up and share with your friends. Thank you. This is how I love to scramble my eggs. I prefer to leave them in chunks, just as you can see, so they'll be obvious in the rice. Into the same pan, I introduce sesame oil. I'll let it get hot a little bit and then I'll fry the sausage. The sausage, I marinated it with dark soy sauce just a little bit to give it a little texture. I will stir this to fry for up to 3 to 4 minutes. And after that, I will introduce minced garlic. I'll also introduce diced habanero pepper. If you don't like it, please do away with it. I introduce onions. I'll stir together to combine and I'll stir this for up to 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'll introduce carrot. Like I said, the process is very fast. You have to prep every ingredient you'll be using for the special rice before you begin. If you're pleased with this work so far, please give a thumbs up to the video. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Thank you. Here I introduce the carrot. I will introduce seasoning. You have to be careful with the seasoning because we're also gonna use dark soy sauce, and you know that dark soy sauce is a bit salty. So when you introduce too much salt and seasoning into this stir fry, right, your food is going to be salty. At this point, you stir fry these vegetables for just 2 minutes while leaving it crunchy, right? Then you introduce the rice. Your leftover rice is okay, very perfect, but I'm introducing this white rice that I prepared with coconut milk. You know, coconut milk has its own taste and flavor. At this point, the rice was already tasty, right? I'll introduce it. Then I introduce dark soy sauce. You can also introduce light soy sauce if that's what you have, but I'm using dark soy sauce. I gave it a little dark soy sauce because a little can go a very long way. Now I will stir everything together to combine. After combining, you'll get something like this. Now the color is perfect. I love it. This rice is already tasty. I will then introduce the scrambled egg, introduce spring onions. I will then stir on a high heat for up to 3 to 4 minutes and the rice will be ready. Please let me know your thoughts about this rice in the comment section, and will you be trying this rice in your next special rice recipe? Let me know that also in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, this is the right time for you to hit that subscribe button and turn on all your bell notification so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video just like this. Thank you for watching. I know that this rice came out very delicious. I love it. Everyone that had it loved it, and you will love it when you give it a try. Now you have to stir this on a high heat to avoid the rice from getting bad if you're not using all of it at the same time. I will list these ingredients in my description box. You can head over to the description box and see everything that I use in preparing this rice. You can also use chicken thighs or chicken breast. Anyone is okay. Beef, anything you have is okay to make the special fried rice. And this is the outcome of the rice. The rice came out very delicious and everyone that had it loved it, and I love it. Will you be trying it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next video. Do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.